Pinangunahan ni Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin ang panunumpa at paggawad ng ranggo sa mga bagong na-promote na Jail Chief Superintendents ng BJMP sa Premier Guest House sa Malacanang.
I now call upon you, our new generals. Let us prove that the trust reposed in you by the President and the Filipino people has been well placed. Trust is a form of public capital. It must be managed with integrity and invested prudently.
Sa kanyang mensahe, binigyan diin ng Executive Secretary ang tiwala ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. at ng sambayan ng Pilipino sa mga bagong general ng BJMP. Ipinunto rin niya ang mahalagang papel ng BJMP na bagamat hindi laging nakikita ay may malaking epekto sa lipunan.
By advancing humane reformation, you strengthen social trust. By keeping our jail facilities secure, you protect families and communities. By exercising integrity in your daily operations, you affirm that the government can be both firm and fair.
Tinapos ni Bersamin ang kanyang talumpati sa pagbati at panawagang ipagpatuloy ang tapat at mahusay na paglilingkod. Para sa balitang totoo at laging bago, Nadj Miravalles, Alauna sa Balita, Congress TV.